out someone. Okay, yes, sir. Our in-house DJ.
Happening is your boy Jigsaw Jigbe for the pay. So client first.
Akuras bese wothini?
Yeah, first tell us as this.
Mina ngundile wathi ushazi umkhuthuzo wesinqa mfethu sithatha sibekele. Wathi ukhuthuzo omnyama omhlophe ngezenzo mfethu.
Yeah, first. Otshela abantu mfethu abangekho lana ukuthi what's happening right now dog.
Olelu lalele.
Ohlale kancane bakophi mfethu. Hello. Ayiwo. Yebo. Yebo. Sure, but ubana olindele performance yakhe kakhulu la right now.
We the boy.
Yebo. Abantu bengakuthola kuma socials.
Abethu ndile Shazi ku Facebook 13_Shazi ku IG handle na ku TikTok.
Thank you. We out of here. Boom. Yo, it's your boy Jiggy San Jiggy Bay for the base. It's at User TV. Ukraine Jaya.
What's up, Mjela Mujapila Jam?
Yeah, man.
Abafana Bashwe, we are.
Oh, we the boys. Young boy, Naksahambegi Jayami. How's the vibe? If you tell me don't get colada,
Bafesi ganyiwa la bafesi nemangisho menga nothing game kodwa bangitshela bafesi sandwich kodwa ganyiwa pamshela ise college soldier face yafisa ukubuya na next time benza something la baspuka labantu bale ekhaya phansi nje face the vibe is crazy amantombazana
Eshu. Okay, Fetu, last question, Fetu. What people can expect, Fetu, from now on, since it's back December, we ask now, Fetu. Mele Kotu, Jaya.
Yaba face, yeah, face. Ngiyazi first from ama fans too. There's a lot you can expect from us. But face, this is a drop an EP from Afrotainment, and then we're gonna drop and single with our out in our FP and as chose. But we can't mention amakama at the moment because we are in the mention here. Ayenze, go to Yazi, Lavafana Bashwebi, Yashitech.
Yashitech. Fetu, where people can follow you on my socials, Fetu?
Face is Sweden Boys _ DJs. Yes, everywhere it's the same story, face. Yafana Facebook, TikTok, and on Instagram as well. So yeah, but please people book spoken as a Shwebe.
Yes, Shwebe.
Must be the shows of a Shwebe. Yes, Shwebe.
Never.
Shwebe Sanina.
Never. Tag. Hey, what's happening? It's your boy Jiggy San Jiggy Bay for the base. Better quality songs. Great,
Putamina?
Yeah, Fetu. How you felt the crowd, Fetu? Life, I'm sure.
Putam?
How you felt the crowd, Fetu? The atmosphere, Lana, Fetu.
The crowd, the corner, Fetu.
Yeah.
Rise, vibe, corner, Fetu. Yeah.
Yeah, Fetu. What people can expect from quality songs from now on since it's back December?
Mina balindele okukhulu bafu kuzokukhulu kakhulu
Kona nisebenza phezulu kwakho
angozo kuningi bafu
kuningi
ya kuningi kakhulu bafu mina balindele okuningi kakhulu futhi
bafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu ne tak it's okay
Wemngani wami ngemlendo wokaliphala mungafuna isishele wemngani wami ngemlendo wokaliphala mungafuna isishele
What's happening wafethu? Alright baf.
Siyaphila kanjani mfowethu?
Yeah, ngi-right mfowethu. Awutshela ongekho lana mfowethu ukuthi sikephi and kwenzakalani la.
Bafowethu okhuluma nje manje uManyuswa mfowethu Ngcobo niyazi all over Manyuswa Ngcobo. Sila nje manje seswidi la kubiyela. Lo senzele into ezinhle ebhamshela ngaso sonke isikhathi. Akuyona always namhlanje. Kodwa ngikhava isikoti angibanga wathi ngokuhlulwa ngibona.
Ngikubona kahle.
Ngiyaconza.
Ngisho isawula mfowethu.
Sila nje manje seswidi Coastal College. Kumnandi kudelile bafowethu angazi. Ngiyafisa ongekho namhlanje ngokuzayo ebekhona sizojabula sonke. Kube mnandi kakhulu. Abantu bajabulile yonke into right ngikhipha amanoni ke na ubonile mfowethu. Laba bawaziyo.
Abawaziyo
lefanele
kamnandi kanjani mfowethu ngiyakubona ufika late ngathi khona la uphuma khona uphuma
bafo imicimbi bemithathu ngiqale eThekwini ngasuka nathi ngemgungundlovu ePMB bathi PMB Heritage
ya
so ngase ngithi angigcine la kubiyela ngoba ingakithi lama ngisuka la ngiyolala ekhaya
siyolala mfowethu kuba usuku olude
kakhulu futhi ngiyafisa ukuthi abahlelo omcimbi beqonde lokuthi ibrand kaManyusi inyukile kodwa ngifisa ukuyisholo mina ngifisa umuntu kube yena obonayo
abayibonele mfowethu
kunjalo futhi
mfowethu ngikuzwile la ukhuluma e-stage mfowethu ukhuluma ukuthi use-studio khona into oyiphekayo mfowethu yini ongakuyisho ngaleyo nto mfowethu
bafo ngise-studio njengamanje i-album iyaphuma ngokuphela ka-October lo sizoqala okuyinyanga esizoyiqala ngoba kumhla kalokhuza namhlanje ngiyafisa abalandeli uthando banginika liningi kodwa ngiyafisa ukuthi ngoba ngizokhipha libe liningi kakhulu ngiyafisa nami ukuthi ngiye phambili ngibalo nabaculi abadula abanento zabo ngenxa music ngiyawuthanda ngiphila ngawo futhi kunjalo
mfowethu siyabonga abantu bengakuthola mfethu enkundla ezokuxhumana
Manyuswa Ngcobo Facebook all over nje mawuthe uManyuswa uthola mina kodwa Facebook Manyuswa Ngcobo kodwa all over tha uManyuswa yabo online khona bangakwazi ukumbona Manyuswa ngoba bathi Manyuswa Ngcobo tha kuno small letter u mfowethu
uManyuswa
capital letter small letter u capital letter M uManyuswa kodwa okubaleka kakhulu mawufuna ngibhuka 0662438215 0662438215 uzongithola lapho WhatsApp into yenziwe inamba leyo namba yona engiphila ngayo ngiyanxusa ngicela bonke abahleli bemcimbi angazi noma bayebeqashe kanjani mawuthi babuka ama page ethu noma babuka ama account ethu esiphila ngawo Facebook
uthi mphusha kanjani
ngicabanga ukuthi
siyabonga mfowethu
siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu
Yelolichel, Omanga Shatangi, Orangakajele. Yeah, you shwela. Ngicela ukudlala ingoma kodwa ngihambe nginidedele bafowethu. Ngixolise ngokufika late. Kubahleli bomcimbi nakunina. Asambe DJ. Come on. Sanbana Costa, Sanbana Sweet, a classic Kanyala Santanga, Wakaman of Signali Tisu, the
we out here. We about to perform, about to play. I'm about to play at 1 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah, but so what people can expect from Khalid Black from now on, yeah, leave it.
A whole different Khalid Black. I'm planning to drop an EP.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like after everything, like after in the Bazeklo, whatever, I'm willing to do better. I'm willing to come up with something new. Yeah, even now, like we're coming with something. I promise, we're coming with something.
Yeah, bro. When I know big up, bro, you promised us something like this year at the beginning of the year. What's happening with that? Cause like you've been dropping a single, yeah, bro. Yeah. So what's happening with the EP?
Yo, we're actually looking at September.
Yes, sir.
This month or next month, we're about to drop a collab EP. Yeah, I'm under a new management now, so things are looking up. Yeah.
You promised Uguti this year you're gonna drop an EP with Biko.
This year, Naganjan,
for sure.
For sure, promise.
Bro, I just heard Ingoma is Panda, dog.
Sure.
Bro, how did that song come about, bro?
Yeah?
How did that song come about? It's Panda.
Oh, yeah.
What's the meaning behind?
Actually, we're talking about this in Desenzagalayo, because it is Panda. I was trying to go back. Yes. You understand? So this is how it came about. I made a beat and I added some vocals, and then the vehicle finished the beats, and then yeah, it was a song. It was a song. Even though XP Ukona Labawi beats, we sent him the project and Wakubega. So yeah.
Oh, so like, are you gonna drop Ispanda as a single or under a project?
It's under a project, and that's why we was promoting it. We're thinking of dropping it first before the whole EP.
Yeah, so where people can find you on the social, dog?
I'm Khalid Black on TikTok, official Khalid Black on Instagram, Khalid Black on Facebook. You can find me anywhere. I'm available on Google. You can search me everywhere.
Everywhere. Thank you, dog.
Away.